Food biotechnology introduction. First, in food biotechnology, food, which is a very vital element for every human being, and it is a main requirement to survive. It is a basic necessity of life for survival. As the human body is made up of cells, and these cells need energy for their sustenance, and these need nutrient to function properly. So food provides basically energy necessary for our body for all activities to be carried out. It is an edible substance which comes from plants and animals, and which after assimilation or absorption in the body by an organism produces energy. It stimulates growth and maintains overall life. It also contains nutrients, for example carbohydrates, proteins, fats, etc., which are ingested by the living organisms and metabolized into energy and body tissue. As far as biotechnology is concerned, basically it is a combination of three words. First one is bios, which means life, technos, related to tools, and logos, which means to study. So it's basically the technological application which uses biological systems or the living organisms or even their parts to make, modify, improve plants or animals for beneficial use. As far as biotechnology is, it is research and development in the lab using bioinformatics for exploration, extraction, usage, and production from any living organisms and any source of biomass by means of biochemical engineering, where high valued added products could be planned, reproduced by biosynthesis, for example forecasted, formulated, developed, manufactured, and marketed for the purpose of sustainable operations for the return from bottomless initial investment on research and development, and gaining durable patents right for exclusive rights for sale, and prior to this to receive national and international approval from the results on animal experiment and human experiment, especially on the pharmaceutical branch of biotechnology, to prevent any undetected side effects of safety concern by using the products. Overall, it is the use of living organisms or their parts for making different products for the benefit of human beings. There are many definitions for food biotechnology, like it is an integrated use of biochemistry, microbiology, and engineering sciences in order to achieve technological application of microbes, cultured cells, and parts thereof. It may be defined as controlled use of biological agents such as microbes or cellular components which produce different products, or it may be defined as application of biological organisms, systems, or processes for manufacturing and service industries. There are many applications of biotechnology, like it produces antibiotics, it produces vaccines, human hormones, for example insulin for diabetic patients, tissue engineering for production of different organisms, plants or animals, cancer therapies, biofuel, biodiesel, biogas production, use of different bacteria and some plants to clean up environmental waste. So there are many applications in plants, animal sciences, as well as environmental sciences. In agriculture, we see that we can produce increased production, crossbreeding, herbicide or pesticide resistant plants for safe food production, then use of soil bacteria, for example Bacillus thuringiensis as an insecticide. In case of animal, for it find its application for reproduction, selection and breeding, animal health, feeding and nutrition, growth and production. So food biotechnology is the application of technologies to make or modify animals, plants, or microorganisms which have desired production, marketing, or nutrition related properties to obtain food. where food processing is the use of different bacteria. For example, lactobacillus is used to produce yogurt, Saccharomyces cerevisiae is used to produce bread for fermentation purpose, which increases the volume of bread. Then fungi to produce cheese for the ripening purpose. There, if we see the objectives of this food biotechnology, then it may be the extended shelf life, efficient food processing, or better nutrient composition. For example, a gene of particular interest for production of micronutrients may be inserted in a plant to have a better nutrient composition of that food plant, which ultimately benefits human beings. Transgenics are actually the genetically modified organisms with DNA from another source inserted into their genome. Genes from other species organisms are inserted, which is of desired characteristics. Then organisms that have transgenes are called as genetically modified organisms, as their genome is modified to obtain desired characters. Uh, for example, there are chicken, salmon, beef, which have been genetically modified for different purposes. There is here are the example of transgenic plants. We were able to isolate a gene in rice that helps in survive flooding, uh, which can survive high amount of water. The plant tissue that is carrying this gene is then cultivated. These then grow and produce seeds that are just like any other plants. You can see here the genetically modified organisms, potato, tomatoes. However, there are certain risks associated with these food products, like these may cause cancer, infertility, affect immune system, kidneys, digestive system, liver, high blood, can result in high blood sugar,